So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2025 Lincoln Aviator in the Reserve trim, and this thing features a few different drive modes, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase those modes, how to enable them, and really just what they change in the vehicle. So how you adjust between the different drive modes in the Aviator is right here in the center console. So you have this drive mode toggle, and there's also a button on the top if you want to just get into the normal drive mode. So I'm going to toggle this off screen, but just showcase what the drive modes are from the gauge cluster. So starting all the way on the left, you have the Excite drive mode. So it's responsive and engaging, as it says. Now it's got, unique name, but it's basically the sport mode of the vehicle. So the engine is going to be more alive, the throttle is going to be a little bit more freer, and it may hold gears a little bit longer as well. So you're going to have the full performance capabilities of the vehicle unlocked in that mode. Then next we have Conserve. So it says efficient driving. You can see there's a little leaf and it's green, and that's basically the eco mode of the vehicle. So you may sense some engine bog. The air condition may be tuned down a little bit to not give you, full blast, so it can conserve the miles per gallon where it can. You have normal, it's effortless and balanced, so you can twist to this mode, or you can also just push down and it will get you into that mode. Then you have slippery, slick, icy or loose surfaces. So if you got a lot of serious rain, like it says icy, an icy morning, anything like that, you should probably turn this mode on. And what that's going to do is going to play with the traction control system a little bit, so you don't lose control of the vehicle in that certain situation. And then last is deep conditions, deep snow or mud assist. And what that's going to do is also play with the traction control system to give you an experience where you're not going to slip, basically sit there and spin out. You can see it also turns traction control off automatically in that mode. And the height of the vehicle will adjust a bit in the different modes as well. So that's not going to come through on the camera at all, but when you get into that deep condition mode, you're going to feel the vehicle move up and down a bit. But that is the different drive modes in the 2025 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. If you have any questions about these modes, when to use them, just any additional questions about them, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them. And if you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already, every little bit helps and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.